Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor 2027 how to rotate text. So you can go to start to escape and I will choose the top line. To create text, you can use the text tool and I will click here for the text object. You can set for the text name, I will set into example. Click OK to apply. Now, if you want to rotate this text, we can use the rotate tools. Go to modify and then click rotate. For the object, you can select the text object. And then for the center point, I will click at this corner point. Now you can rotate the text objects. Like I will set the angle here into 90 degree. Or you can set 270 degree. If you done, you can click apply to set the rotation text. And then you can click done. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to rotate text.